Hi everyone, imagine this. Every day your Gmail account is quietly holding all your personal information. Your name, ID number, passport info, and even banking details. And right now, someone could be trying to steal it. Yes, even without your knowledge, hackers can exploit weak security settings to sneak into your account, read your emails, and steal your sensitive data. You might never even know it's happening just until it's too late. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to protect your Gmail account before it's too late. Stay with me until the end, because missing just one step could leave your personal data completely exposed. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Weak passwords are one of the easiest ways hackers gain access to accounts. Simple passwords like names, birth years, or common patterns such as 123456 can be cracked in seconds using automated tools. How to create a strong password. At least 12 characters long, include uppercase, A to Z, and lowercase, A to Z letters. Include numbers 0 to 9. Include symbols like @, Here are some examples of very strong password combinations. These examples are highly secure and difficult to guess, even with automated tools. Here are the steps to change your Gmail password. Open the Gmail app on your phone, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Manage your Google account. Select Security and sign in. Scroll down and tap Password. Verify your identity using your fingerprint or old password. Enter your new password twice and tap Change Password. Now, let's move on to the next tip. Enable two-step verification. Even if someone manages to guess or steal your password, they still cannot access your account without a special verification code sent directly to your phone. This means that your password alone is no longer enough to break in. Think of it this way. A password is like locking your front door, but two-step verification is like adding a security camera, an alarm system, and a second lock at the same time. Hackers might reach the door, but they're immediately stopped because they don't have your phone. This extra layer of protection blocks most hacking attempts instantly, which is why hackers avoid accounts with two-step verification enabled. Follow these steps to enable two-step verification. Open the Gmail app. Tap your profile picture. Manage your Google account. Select Security and sign in. Scroll to two-step verification. Let me quickly explain what each one means so you know which ones protect you the most. Passkeys and security keys. This is one of the strongest security options available. A passkey uses your phone's lock, like your fingerprint, face unlock, or PIN, instead of a password. That means even if someone knows your Gmail password, they still can't sign in without physical access to your phone. Security keys work the same way but use a physical device like a USB or NFC key. This option is extremely hard for hackers to break. Google Prompt. This is the most common and very secure option. When someone tries to log into your account, Google sends a pop-up notification to your phone asking, "Is this you trying to sign in?" You simply tap yes or no. If it's not you and you tap no, the login attempt is instantly blocked. This stops hackers even if they somehow get your password. Authenticator app. This option uses apps like Google Authenticator. The app generates a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. To sign in, you must enter the current code from the app. Because the code changes constantly and stays on your phone, hackers cannot guess or reuse it. This is one of the safest methods and works even without internet. Phone number. SMS verification. This method sends a one-time code by SMS to your phone number. You enter the code to complete sign-in. The more second-step options you add here, the harder it becomes for hackers to lock you out or break in. Backup codes. Backup codes are your last line of defense. Google gives you a set of one-time codes that you can use to sign in if you lose your phone, change devices, or can't receive verification codes. Each code works only once, and if you don't have them saved, you could be permanently locked out of your Gmail account. This is how many people lose access to their accounts forever. Once you generate your backup codes, you can download them or print them out and store them in a safe place. During sign-in, select Try Another Way. Enter one of your backup codes. Once you finish setting up all your two-step verification methods, scroll down and turn it on. 3. Review connected devices. If your Gmail account is logged in on an old or shared device, someone else could open it anytime. Let me show you how to check the devices where your Google account is logged in. Open the Gmail app, tap your profile picture, manage your Google account, scroll to Security and sign in. Scroll to Manage all devices. This section shows all devices with access to your account. Check each one carefully. If you see a device you don't recognize, that means your account may already be compromised. Sign it out immediately. It's always important to regularly check this section to see where your Google account is currently signed in. 5. Use a recovery email and phone number. If hackers ever lock you out of your account, a recovery email or phone number is your lifeline. Without it, getting your account back could be impossible. Here are steps to add recovery info. Open Gmail. Manage Google account. Security and sign in. Scroll to ways we can verify it's you. Add or update your recovery email and phone number. By following these steps, your Gmail account will be much safer from hackers. Use a strong password. Enable two-step verification. Regularly review connected devices and apps. Add recovery email and phone number. Alright, that's it for today's video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical tech tips to keep your digital life safe. See you in the next one. Bye for now.